In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your Notion databases with Google Sheets in just 5 minutes. First, we will head over to Notion, where the magic starts. Open your browser and go to your connected workspace. This is where you manage your wiki, docs, and various projects. Make sure you're at the right place by checking for the familiar Notion interface. Once you're there, locate the Login button, typically found on the top right corner of the page, to access your account. If you're not already logged in, you may need to enter your credentials. Once successfully logged in, navigate to your Notion homepage. This is your central hub within Notion where you can see all your pages and navigate through your information. Look for the Settings option, which is usually represented by a gear icon. Clicking on it will open a menu with various options to configure your account settings, personalize your workspace, and do much more. After accessing the settings, find and click on the Connections option. This step is crucial because it allows you to manage and establish links to third-party applications, such as Google Sheets. Once in the Connections section, you need to browse through the available options. For this, look for an option that says Browse Connections in Gallery. This is your gateway to finding the tools and apps that you can integrate directly with your Notion setup. In the gallery, search for WhaleSync. This tool plays a vital role because it bridges the gap between Notion and Google Sheets, facilitating automatic syncing. Click on WhaleSync once you've found it, and follow any subsequent instructions for connecting it to both your Notion account and your Google Sheets. Typically, this will involve granting permissions, so make sure to read through the prompts to understand what access you are providing. With WhaleSync set up, your Notion databases will now start syncing seamlessly with Google Sheets. This integration not only ensures that your data is consistently updated across platforms, but also enhances your ability to analyze and manipulate your data using Google Sheets' powerful tools. By following these straightforward steps, you can streamline your workflow, saving valuable time and effort. This setup is particularly handy for teams that rely on both platforms to manage extensive data or need to collaborate efficiently. Now that you know how to sync Notion with Google Sheets, go ahead and try it yourself. You'll be amazed at how much more productive your workday can become.